In this video, I will show you how to remove the ear tips on your AirPods Pro. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are looking to remove the ear tips on your AirPods Pro, whether that's due to cleaning them or basically changing to a different size ear tip, it's actually quite easy to do. Now the best way to actually do this is what you want to do is, you can see this is quite a soft, thin material. So what I would recommend first of all is actually turning this inside out. So if you just roll it back like this, and you're going to have something that looks like this. So to actually go ahead and remove the ear tips, what I would recommend doing is not grabbing towards the end, as you can risk damaging the material. What I would say is to grab it more closer to the base, about here, and all you want to do is just give it a good pull. And the first time you do this, it might be quite stuck on there, but basically you just want to put it like this until it snaps, and as you can see, we've now removed the ear tip. So to go ahead and put this back on, all you need to do is the same sort of process. What I would recommend doing is rolling the ear tip down so it looks like this, and then you just need to basically wiggle it onto the AirPod, and you just want to check to make sure it's on properly all the way around. As you can see, it's not on properly here. So if that's the case, then all you want to do is just push it in and make sure that it's completely locked in. There's going to be a little snap noise to show you that it's locked in, and then you can just go ahead and roll this back down just like so, and that's how to put the ear tip back on. So that is how to go ahead and remove ear tips on your AirPods Pro. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.